Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about smart trading contracts on Delta Kim app. If you have been following our previous video, I've been talking about the open letter on Delta Kim app. And if you are new on this channel, I talk about airdrops, crypto airdrops, mining, and so many other things. You can check through my bio to see the different niche I touch. So on today's video, I'll be talking about smart trading contracts, a breakthrough innovation on Delta Kim app. So let's dive right in. Smart trading contracts will be a major focus of development over the next year. We believe these features represent a breakthrough innovation. Ethereum's smart contracts made blockchains more capable and truly expanded the scope of blockchain engineering, but using them requires solid programming knowledge. And the major bottlenecks behind development on those architectures include slow execution and high costs. The smart trading contract solution aim to address this issue. First, it will focus specifically on trading scenarios. Any user, regardless of the technical expertise, will be able to visually design various transaction processes through present trading instruction, ultimately forming a complete trading contract. This will allow users to easily customize workflows for different transaction scenarios. Use cases include instance trades, escrow, escrow trades, purchase requests, virtual goods transactions, physical goods transactions, and more. Users will also be able to configure parameters including transaction currency, pricing, automated execution timing, and security strategies. In essence, users will be able to implement these functionalities without having to write a single line of code. What they are trying to say here is that this smart trading contract will be user friendly. Did you get? And this smart trading contract is what they are saying here. This smart trading contract is like, for instance, I'm the buyer here and the other person is the seller, or let's say I'm the seller, the other person is the buyer. I, as a seller, I can never cheat the other person. It's more like the way you trade currency on this Bitget exchange or some other platform, let's say Binance or this thing. If you should buy naira and you've already dropped your own let's say dollar, and you wanted to buy naira, if the other person did not drop the naira, you the app itself will terminate the contract. Then you can go to the next person to buy and they will refund your money. That's more like the smart trading contract they're explaining here. I hope you all get it. So let's continue. As users publish goods and services under various transaction types, the platform will gradually form a vast and diversified free marketplace. Buyers and sellers will be able to conveniently find the products or services they needed through categorization and search. To deeply serve niche markets, we will also support binding individual dApps to specific smart trading contracts. In this model, the dApp will act as the front-end interface, providing service displays and operational entry points for users, while the smart trading contract serves as the back-end environment, managing process and persisting critical data. Like the smart trading management will be at the back end, looking at how transaction is being done. Do you get? So under this structure, regardless of the type of service or transaction provided by the developer, systemic risk can be effectively avoided. This is what they are saying here, that they will be cautious to make sure everything is going smoothly, and transaction funds can remain secure. Since the funds used in smart trading contracts remain locked within the contract itself, they are never controlled or temporarily held by the dApp's developer, nor solely by the buyer or seller. Only upon completion of the transaction will the contract executor release and settle the funds according to the agreed rules. Agreed rules, just like I've explained. For instance, now I'm on the app and I want to buy naira and I have dollars in my account, and the other person is the one selling the naira. If I purchase the naira and the person did not drop the naira after I've paid for the dollar, it will count first before the person can move away from the contract. Within that short, there's always a time limit. Do you get? So if the person did not drop the naira that I request for, it will bounce back due to the smart. That's what makes it smart trading contracts. I hope you all get it. But it doesn't necessarily have to be naira. It might be a product, it might be a service or something. So that's how it is. That's what they are trying to explain here. Through this model, developers will be able to quickly build trustworthy decentralized applications for various trading scenarios, such as service marketplace, similar to Fiverr. If you understand Fiverr, for those who use Fiverr, C2C, you get C2C, e-commerce platform similar to eBay. I hope you all understand it now. And virtual goods or NFT marketplace similar to G2A or OpenSea. For those of you who use these various apps, you understand what they are saying here. Our vision is that smart trading contracts can be configured to support virtually all trading workflows. Forward together. So that's that about smart trading contracts. We'll continue from here in our next video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment. Let me hear your thoughts.